Wow. Angelina and Scarlett are in front of a beautiful princess castle. Oh my. Hey girls. Hi. You are so beautiful. I'm in love with you, you know. Angelina is my little girl. She belongs to my private collection. And I have just finished reborning Scarlett, Castle.Tayra by Gudrun Legler. How to say about this amazing sculpt? Thank you, Gudrun, thank you for giving us the opportunity to reborn this wonderful sculpt. This is Scarlett. I named her after the lady who starred in the film Gone with the Wind, Scarlett, because she's so romantic. Her delicate beauty, her sweet eyes are breathtaking. She's a custom order, and she goes home after her photo shoot. Perfect in every detail. Baby, sweet Scarlett and Angelina. Kitaloenka by Natalie Bleak. I have no words for Angelina. She's my love. Wow, what a beautiful castle. Τι ωραίο κάστρο. Η Scarlett και η Angelina θέλουν να επισκεφθούν τη φίλη τους, Princess Snowhite. Yes. This is the castle of Snowhite. So, they put on their beautiful dresses and they just wait for her. She will take them for a walk. Say hi to Snowhite, okay? Hi, and give kisses from me. Have a lovely time, girls.